Hi, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Today I am going to show you how to fix Bluetooth peripheral device error, and every error related to that error. Don't skip any step. The reason you are facing this issue is because your computer is missing the compellent driver of the software. So we are going to install a software that is compellent. Follow these steps to install the software. 1. Subscribe to my channel. 2. Like this video so people are facing this problem can find this video. 3. Go to description and download the file. 4. Install the file. 5. It's a Toshiba driver file, but it gets the work done. 6. I hope this will fix your issue. 7. Tell me in comments if this works for you. Thank you for watching this videos. Take care.